at Cambridge Mathematics Paper 2 Extended Exam, October and November edition 2024. The question reads, A is the point 17,9 and B is the point 23,89. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of line AB. Give your answer in the form y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, so now I can assume that my point A is here. I'll draw a line. I will sketch these coordinates on a rough sketch. So A is the point 17,9, B is the point 23,39. Okay. So now I've been asked to find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of line AB. So the perpendicular bisector of line AB is dividing line AB into half. Dividing line AB into half. So to find the coordinates where the perpendicular bisector is passing through, I'm simply going to find the midpoint of AB. So A is the point 17,9, B is the point 23,39. So the first pairs for the ones x1, y1, the second pairs for the twos x2, y2. x2, y2. So the midpoint is given by x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So my x1 is 17, my x2 is 23, my y1 is 9, my y2 is 39. So the midpoint of AB, I'm going to add 17 plus 23, I'll get 40 divided by 2, comma, 9 plus 39, I'm going to get 48 divided by 2. 2 into 40, it's 20. 2 into 48, it's 24. So these are the points of the perpendicular bisector 2, 20, 24. So the perpendicular bisector is passing through the points 20, 24. Okay, so now there's a relationship. The relationship between the perpendicular bisector and line AB, their gradients are related. So the gradient of the line multiplied by the gradient of the perpendicular line, you must always get negative 1. The gradient of a line multiplied by the gradient of the perpendicular line must get negative 1. This line is a perpendicular line. It's making AB at 90 degrees. So I'm going to find the gradient of the line AB. So I'm going to say gradient of AB. The gradient of a line is given by the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So m of AB will be equal to, these are my points. My y2 is 39. y2 is 39 minus my y1 is 9 over my x2 is 23 minus my x1 is 17. These are my coordinates. I name them x1, y1, x2, y2. So the gradient of line AB will be equal to 39 minus 9, I will get 13 over 23 minus 17, I'm going to get a 6. 6 into 13, so MAB, the gradient of AB will be equal to 5. The gradient of AB is equal to 5. Okay? So now I want to get the equation of the perpendicular bisector. So let me grab this. Okay. So I have something like this, 17,9. This is A, B, B is 23, my B, x1 for B, 23, 39, 23, so we have figured that the midpoint, this point is passing through 20, 24. We've got the gradient of AB. So the relation between this perpendicular bisector and the gradient of AB, when you multiply the gradient of this perpendicular line and the gradient of line AB, you must get negative 1. Now the gradient of AB is 5, so I'm going to say 5 multiplied by the gradient of the perpendicular bisector, I must get negative 1. So to find the gradient of this perpendicular bisector, I'll simply divide by 5, giving that side by 5. So the gradient of the perpendicular bisector will be equal to negative 1 over 5. Okay. So this line is passing the points 20, 24. So now I know I'm going to say data. The equation of a straight line is given by y is equal to mx plus c. The point is passing through, so I'm going to say my coordinates are 20, it's passing through 20, 24. This is my x, this is my y. The gradient I'm going to use is negative 1 over 5. Then I have to find the value of the constant c. I have to find the value of the constant c. Now this. So now I'm going to replace. So my y coordinate, where there is y, I'll put 24 is equal to, my m I'm using is negative 1 over 5. My x coordinates is 20. Then I'll say plus c. 5 can go into 20. 5 into 5 is 1. 5 into 20 is 4. So I'm going to have 24 is equal to negative 1 times 4. I'll get negative 4 plus c. So I have to find the value of c. So this negative 4 will go the other side. So c will be equal to 24. When this negative 4 crosses, it becomes plus 4. So c will be equal to 24 plus 4 is 28. So that's my constant. Therefore, the equation of the perpendicular bisector, the equation of the perpendicular bisector is, so now I'll just replace the value of the gradient and the value of c. Y and x will remain constant, so it becomes y is equal to, my gradient of the perpendicular bisector is negative 1 over 5, so I'll say negative 1 over 5, then x, then the value of c is 28, positive 28, so I'll say plus 28 plus 28. So this is how this question was supposed to be solved. Okay, for more revisions, you can contact the number on your screen. This is what I had for you. We are solving the Cambridge Mathematics 16 paper 2. Okay, so for now, leave it here. Bye.